so bebesebenzisa i-width kamdawu mabe attack namalokhunje nedibadiba lapha eshaya ama-pinpoint crosses izokwazi ukuthi isize isikhukhune sifike ngelo block yabo but bebe disciplined kona be defender kabi betshengisa ukuthi i-team organized but ke ngo-31st minute uMarcelo Allende wasivula iscoring wayivula i-account and this is the second goal ya Marcelo Allende second game consecutive so futhi uyasebenza lapha ku-role yakhe leyo number 10
kakhulu
esiza u-Atasalez ubuyile kwi-injury hayi nayo ufika waba na impact ama teams o2 bena 4-3 so mawubona lokho kusangena nje first half uvela ubona ukuthi yane hayi kuzo attackwa ke manje kuzobe zikhala ngapha nangapha on both ends yabo but first half Sundowns aba 69% i-ball position yabo Nicola Allende assiste u-Atasalez obe detector ilokhunje game laphana vision ne composure defensive